is the ADC State Secretariat. See the injured. Look at this one that was injured. This is the ADC State Secretariat in Edo State, Okbelaka. We just received our dignitaries today. We had a Tikapi Olumide Akpata was decanted to the ADC, and Peter Obi was here live and direct to witness it. Just few minutes after the event took place, the APC sent their thugs. They came in numbers with a Sienna unbranded vehicle with pop passion. They were shooting. They destroyed vehicles. They destroyed this woman's vehicle. Look how they scattered everywhere. This is a woman who sends up to the secretariat. Look at that things that were destroyed. Is this the kind of state Mondo Pueblo wants to preside over? Look at this water destruction. They said the woman was shot to the neck. The woman has been rushed to the hospital. They shot the woman to the neck. Many people were beaten and were injured. Look at our DJ, the DJ who covered the event. You can see all his vehicles have been destroyed. They stole the laptop of the DJ. They scattered his phone and his laptop was stolen. And look at that, they were scattered everywhere. See, destroyed bottles. They came with guns. They say all of them were having pop passion on their house and they were shooting sporadically in this venue. Look at this guy's bicycle. They stole his bicycle. Look at his leg. They beat people. Look at what happened. See, they destroyed properties here. See, this violence cannot allow to continue. The power arm of the DJ we are taking. See, this is Edo State, and the power of opposition cannot be subdued. Everybody who wants to join the APATC must be allowed to join. So we have the right to gather, we have the right to participate. Any form of intimidation and oppression that they are using in this state to oppress us will not be allowed to accepted. This is totally unacceptable. Nigeria cannot survive. We cannot be a one-party state, and yes, the government is seeking for 2.5 million votes, imaginary votes, by deploying thugs to hand and fight the opposition. See, Nigeria cannot be sustained in this manner. Mondo Pueblo must get the message clear, and we will continue to stand our ground. Enough of this killing, enough of the shooting, enough of the destruction. Many people were destroyed. Look at them, they were destroyed. We are beating their face. It is only God that we tell. We have seen tyranny before. This is not the first time we see tyranny in this country. We have seen tyranny before, and we stand our resolve. Just imagine if we are still in this secretariat holding our meeting. 18 Peter Obi was here. Olumide Akpata was here. Principal stakeholders were here, and yet they choose to unleash violence on us. We will not continue like look at our chairs. People despise principles immediately, and yet they say they want to sustain democracy this way. This way, we will going to stand against them. We will not relent. We will certainly not relent. We are going to stand. We are going to stand. ADC will going to stand. The other side, few weeks ago, they tried to burn this place down. Today, they release violence on us. Nigerians, please be aware. Please be aware. Please be aware what the APC in Edo State is doing. President Bola Tinubu, you cannot say you're not seeing them. You can't say you're not seeing them because they are doing this for you. You can't say you're not aware.
A former governor of this state, and you can see what happened in front of his house, where hoodlums came shooting. If you look at his gate and everything,
let's see the bullet holes.
At his gate, you see the several cars, the damage and everything. That is where our democracy has reached.
The hoodlums came for you to know what 2027 will look like. Immediately after we left the ADC headquarters in Benin, we came into the house of Chief Oregun, the former governor, and these hoodlums came, started shooting. These are bullets, started shooting. These are bullets, started shooting, destroying vehicles. You see, they know Tinubu is going to lose in 2027, and they don't want peace.
Take it for all. As they can when they come out and they can face me, not for this I wait. Yes. Everybody back with me. The other guy carry key. I know that he wants to turn you to come for the mother to come for us. Now you get the shot one more. That guy will hit post my guy head, post the guy head, post my back. I have to pay the hospital, the clinic bill, so I don't take care of the guy. The structure there is another level. They wounded someone. And the secretariat there, yeah, they shot somebody. They blast the guy head here, blast the guy head there, blast him at the back. They beat him merciless. Yes, they
They shot one man in the neck, one hospital. This thing is getting, we cannot sincerely continue like this.
Who are the people doing this?
It's supposed to the ABC talks, we know. They have a history of violence.
Make a formal complaint, and I assure you, this cannot be true. We have a country, and we are part of the country. You know, we cannot have terrorism terrorizing the country and have officials of the government terrorizing citizens. It's not acceptable.
Yes. Thank you, Your Excellency. Big man. This is bullets. This is bullets. Oh yeah. They ran away when the DSS started retaliating. They now heard the sound of a different gun and they ran away. The information reaching us heard it that immediately we left the Secretariat, ADC Secretariat, they came in shooting. They shot people, wounded some people. Those wounded are now at the hospital. This is bullet life. This is bullet. They want. No, they came here to light people.
Yes, sir.
Had we didn't lock this gate, they will light everybody. All the plan is to light people. That was their plan. Yeah, it's to light people now. They want to light people. Now you get the car. You see? You are the state youth leader.
Maybe that's the reason why they did this.
Yeah.
My car, they knows me already. So maybe that's the reason why
Don't make noise there.
we did it, no car. Where we go?
Officer, are you just coming? Some hoodlums, stop, scared. Esther is in front. Esther is in front. Esther. This state youth leaders car. This is what they did to you.
a sì dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti subscribe sórí YouTube channel yìí, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa ń comment, tẹ́ máa ń like, tẹ́ máa ń share àwọn videos wa. Ẹ dákun ẹ bá wa gbọ́wọ́lé subscription button, kẹ́ ẹ bá wa subscribe, kẹ́ ẹ lè máa ń láǹfààní láti wo àwọn oríṣiríṣi fídíò tá à ń jù sórí àtẹ ìkànnì yìí.